The world of AI is shifting fast. Every week, a new breakthrough shocks developers worldwide. But one tool is rising above everything else. It isn't just another coding assistant. It feels more like a powerful partner. A partner that can think, plan, and execute. Not a gimmick, but a serious game changer. For years, coders dreamed of true AI collaboration. An agent that doesn't just suggest single fixes. Instead, one that designs solutions from start to finish. Now, that dream is starting to become real. This new coding agent is unlike anything before. It doesn't limit itself to copy-pasting snippets. It doesn't freeze when projects grow too complex. It doesn't just parrot back generic code blocks. This system thinks like an engineer, not a tool. It analyzes context, structures entire workflows, and adapts instantly. It doesn't just answer. It reasons through every step. Imagine building an app in minutes, not weeks. Imagine debugging massive repositories without endless frustration. Imagine collaborating with AI as if with teammates. That's the revolution this tool is bringing forward. It blends unmatched intelligence with step-by-step reasoning. It plans, executes, and corrects mistakes on the fly. It's not about copying what already exists. It's about creating brand new possibilities in coding. Developers who tested it were stunned by results. Apps that normally require days appeared in minutes. Bug fixes didn't just patch code, they restructured logic. Explanations weren't vague, they were crystal clear. This is not hype. It's real progress. But here's what makes it truly remarkable. This agent doesn't rely on one single brain. It combines the strengths of multiple advanced models. One delivers raw power and technical intelligence. The other provides structured reasoning and strategic clarity. Together, they form a seamless coding powerhouse. Think of it as a symphony of intelligence. Different instruments working together to craft one masterpiece. Instead of just coding, it orchestrates entire solutions. That is why developers are calling it revolutionary. Now, picture this in action for a moment. You type a single request into your terminal. The agent instantly drafts a multi-step plan. It reviews your files, maps out solutions, and executes. If something breaks, it doesn't stop in confusion. It adapts, debugs, and tries again immediately. You watch in real time as problems vanish. This isn't coding the old-fashioned way anymore. This is coding reimagined through true AI partnership. And for the first time, it feels effortless. The magic begins when you give it context. Point it toward a folder, and it understands. Instead of spitting random guesses, it studies deeply. It highlights problems, rewrites files, and fixes instantly. Not suggestions, but actual working code updates delivered. Developers no longer feel like they're guessing. They see the reasoning step by step.
Every choice explained clearly. rarely seen before.
Workflows that once felt painful become streamlined. You can tag a file directly in Terminal, ask it to restructure your styling, and it delivers. Changes appear instantly, with options to accept or reject. Line by line or all at once. Your choice. The control stays in your hands completely. One demo showed 11 files generated at once. Each displayed differences side by side for review. A developer simply pressed A to accept everything. Minutes later, the app was fully complete. No endless tweaking, no constant debugging cycles, just a smooth flow from request to solution. And here's where it gets even bigger. This tool isn't stuck in short-term memory. It learns from you as time goes on. It remembers your preferences, your style, your needs. Conversations don't reset. They evolve with experience. That means every session feels more personal, more tuned. It's not just a tool, but a growing collaborator. Developers are already calling this a breakthrough moment. Apps built with it look production-ready instantly. Websites shine with professional polish on first attempt. What once required a full team feels effortless. Minutes, not weeks, separate concept from final product. The story doesn't end with small demos. This system is built for massive scale. Big, messy repositories usually crush normal AI tools. They freeze, lose context, or break entirely. But this agent thrives inside complex environments. It scans, indexes, and navigates with astonishing precision. It doesn't just repair tiny syntax errors, it flags structural weaknesses across entire projects. It restructures broken components into cleaner architectures, all while explaining the reasoning in real time. So you aren't just given code, you're taught. That explanation layer changes everything for developers, because real professionals want to understand deeply. The why is just as valuable as what. And here, you gain both in every response. Even the small refinements feel revolutionary. Highlight a snippet, send it to the chat. The agent helps you tweak and improve instantly. You're never coding blindly. You're coding collaboratively. Abacus isn't chasing hype with flashy demos. They're building a platform that feels future-proof, a platform connecting models, memory, and workflows seamlessly. And they're confident enough to promise benchmarks soon. If those results prove true, the game changes. This could set the new industry standard, not just another assistant, but the ultimate partner, one that blends intelligence, reasoning, and adaptability together. One that feels less like software, more like synergy. For developers, this is more than convenience. It's a new era of creative empowerment. Instead of wrestling with repetitive tasks endlessly, you focus on vision, strategy, and innovation. The agent takes care of the heavy lifting, the endless debugging, the structuring, the busy work, all handled. And this is only the beginning. Imagine as models grow sharper and faster. Imagine more memory, more tools, more integration. Imagine coding with AI that feels human. That's the world we're stepping into now. Not someday, not years down the road, but today, in the terminals of developers. A shift from assistance to true collaboration. So if you've been waiting for change, if you've been dreaming of effortless building, if you've wanted a partner that thinks too, that moment has finally arrived before our eyes. This isn't the end of coding. It's the rebirth of how coding is done. A revolution where humans and machines unite seamlessly. And from this union, new possibilities explode forward. The most powerful coding agent has arrived, and it's only just getting started.